Hey, you guys. It's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? This is going to be kind of like a little relaxing video. I am fulfilling a need that I need to do before tomorrow, but also educating, so it should be fun and somewhat playful. So what this video is going to be about is I usually do the Dashing Diva nail stickers. I think I've talked about this before. I usually get them at TJ Maxx because they run for about $12 to $13 at Ulta, Walmart, whatever, and TJ Maxx Marshalls has them for $4.99. I ended up making an Ulta buy because they had the Dashing Diva Gel Glaze Kit for $13.99, and then it was buy two get one free. So I ended up getting the kit, which is the machine and some starter strips, and then I got this pack and this pack, and this was like 20 bucks or something. So I went ahead and bought, and then they threw that in for free because I spent, I don't know, whatever amount of money. But these I'm going to put aside because today we are going to try for the first time the actual Glaze starter kit. This is my first time trying these. So yeah, bear with me. We're going to do it together and we're going to see how my nails kind of come out. I have a pretty decent hand here, but I do have a man down over here because, like, I'm not a do-nothing bitch. So I can't have the fakes that are really long because I'm constantly doing things and they just get in the way, weightlifting, working, all that kind of stuff. So I like to do the stickers. I haven't had them on for a while because I was letting my nails breathe for a little bit. And yeah, we're going to prep them and then we're going to open this baby up and see what these little pink things look like. I'm a little excited because normally with the stickers, they're literally just stickers that you put on, and they do last for like over a week and almost 2 weeks. And sometimes I can get 2 uses out of one of these packs. But the thing about this one is they're supposed to have like a raised coating, like you actually got gel nails. So I want to see what that's like. So we're going to go ahead and prep my nails and open this up and see what it's about. All right, here's my tools. This is stuff that I usually do when I prep my nails for the stickers. The very first thing that I do is I usually take one of these buffer things and I go over them with like a little kind of just rough. This is kind of getting all the cuticle residue off and all of that. So I'm just gonna do that really quickly. All right, the next thing that I do is I take an emery board and I just kind of even out the actual nails. This hand is already pretty good, so I don't have a lot of work to do on this one, but I do like to get kind of like an even shape. I'm actually not very good at that, but we're just gonna do it really quickly here. Okay. So here we go. This is kind of what they look like when they're almost ready to go. I usually like to take an alcohol pad. Normally when you buy a new pack of these, they come with an alcohol pad because they want you to wipe your nails down before you stick the sticker on. I just happen to have like some of these laying around because I use those like 2 times and I always need another alcohol wipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and that really quick. All right, looks like we got a pretty good base going here. I do have 3 different kinds of nail clippers. These are basically for when you take the strip off of the paper and you stick it on your nail. You have to cut the excess off and then file it down. So that's what I have these for. I'm going to set them to the side. We're gonna look at this thing. I don't know, I'm assuming this thing has to be plugged in or something like that. So yeah, let's take a look at that. Okay, little girl is gonna have to stay over here in the corner because the plug that I have only fits over there, but there is a button on here that turns on the UV light, which is supposed to cure the stickers. So we're gonna see if all of this works. I've honestly had pretty good turnout with the stickers, so I am a little nervous to try these out. So they come in like a little case like that. Open it up, and yeah, this is pretty typical. You get almost 2 of the same type of strips. This one is called, I can't remember what these ones were called, but they're obviously like an introductory pink, you know what I mean? So, I mean, pretty basic, but that's okay to start. Oh yeah, look, see, they do give you some alcohol pads, they give you an emery board and a little cuticle pusher thingy, which those things scare the hell out of me, so I never use them. Let's see, let me look at the directions really quick. Remove film, press down firmly in the center, trim, cure under LED light for 45 seconds, file. Oh gosh, okay. Then it says to remove, apply magic off or cuticle oil on nail bed and lift with the manicure stick too slowly. Oh God, so I have to use that stick in order to get off. Yikes. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is find out which sizes go with which nail. So usually what I do is I go through and just kind of find which ones are going to fit on my nail bed. I'm not going to make you guys watch me find all of these, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed this up and then we'll get back together. Now that that looks so amazing, we're gonna go ahead and trim the excess off, and they want you to go right to the nail. So sometimes, because I only have regular clippers, this can get a little tricky. And then I'm hoping, just like the regular stickers, what you can do is just file off the rest to get it flush with the nail. Okay, pinky nail a little iffy because it's so short on there. It was really hard for me to get the file against it. But I usually press them down like one more time just to make sure that they're really on there. They actually do have like a kind of an already glossy look. I'm not too mad at that. So let's see. Now we have to cure. So we're supposed to cure under the LED light for 45 seconds. So let's turn this little baby on. And then I guess stick your whole hand. Be sure not to expose unused strips to LED light while curling. If glaze is exposed to light, it will cure itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and put them under and wait 45 seconds. Okay, I think that was 45 seconds or more. I could feel something happening in there. It was like a little hot, so maybe it's cured. And it does say at the end to position the nail file horizontally along the contour of your nail with one sweeping motion file firmly across your free edge. So I guess you're just supposed to go like this, just to like, I don't know, get some of the, I didn't trim that one very well. First time, guys, first time. We're doing this together. But so far, it's looking pretty good. What do you think? I mean, like, kind of cute, right? Looks a lot better than when we started this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other hand off camera, and then we'll meet back and take a look at the finished product. All right, I'm back. I did the other hand. I really do think that they came out kind of good. I mean, even man down looks a lot better. I honestly thought that this pink was gonna be like a little more pink and a lot less purple, and it was going to be kind of like see-through, but I mean, I don't know why I thought that based on the photo, but yeah, these are pretty opaque. They did pretty well on my nails. As you can see, they're super shiny and they are thick, so they do feel like a gel type, you know what I mean? I don't think I'd be able to get another full set out of this, but what I do like to do is keep all these extras, because when I'm doing another one, like let's say I do this white one, this is called white syrup. Let's say I do this one, I get a full set out of this, and then I have half of these left, then I can like mix them together and do like accent nails or whatever. So I like doing that, but I do think that they are, I don't know, I think that they're pretty nice. Remember, this is my first time doing this, so the next thing or the last thing I like to do after I do this is I like to take some hand cream and just kind of refresh my hands because of the alcohol and all that, the UV light and everything. Get them nice and moisturized. The cuticles kind of like been roughed up and everything, and then yeah, there is your finished product. So not too bad, guys, not too bad actually. For this kit, I think was like $13.99 or like, I want to say $15 at the most. Actually, do I have my, let me look at my Ulta thing. Yep, nope, no prices. Okay. That's fine. I still think that it was a good deal, and I'm excited to try the white syrup. And then this one is called, I don't even know, but it does say it has a velvet finish, which I think that means that there's like glitter in there. I actually really do like the glitter stickers because I don't know, I feel like they last longer. Like they're, because they have the glitter in them, they like are stronger or something. But yeah, excited to try these ones out, and I always have my backup little thing of stickers if these fail on me, but I really do think that they're gonna work out, so yay. That's all I have for you today, guys. Did you enjoy that little tutorial? I mean, I know like my camera keeps shaking. I'm doing the best that I can here, you know. But yeah, I'm glad that you sat through that with me, and thank you so much for watching. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment below, I don't know which way is below, Comment below and let me know if you thought that this was helpful and if you ever wanted to try the nail stickers, because I really do believe in them as a cheap, affordable, and fast way to keep your manicure done. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my antics, you would be the awesomest. I love you. Ooh, there you go. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.